How to find content and activity settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find content and activity settings on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click profile, and here in the top corner click these three lines and then click settings and privacy. And as you see here, you will find content and activity. Here you can manage push notifications or live events or anything you want. Here language, and then just manage here anything you want, and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.